Morning, internet. So, going on a little adventure day with my travel buddy. He's tired. He had basketball all day yesterday. Anyways, picking out something special today. It's always been my dream to own one of these. I'm pretty excited. I got about a 3-hour drive. And, well, depending on how many times I have to feed this thing, because he's at that age, it's food and cologne. That's all he cares about. So,
cars.
And cars. You like cars? Yeah. Food, cologne, and cars. Mostly food. So, I'm making a dream come true for me today. I'm going to use it with Lone Star Heroes because I think it'd be awesome to use this and have fun with it. And I'm trying to contain my excitement. It's gonna be a little project. I'm using my own money, so nothing from Lone Star Heroes is being used on it. I'm using all my money. But let's hit the road. So we are about 30 minutes out. Homeboy's just been playing his game and talking about cologne because that's, I guess, what teenage boys are consumed with these days. Pretty excited. We are on the west side of Oklahoma City, of this part of Oklahoma. Very beautiful. It reminds me of growing up. There's a lot of old towns out here. It's been a great drive. We've had fun. You've had a good time? Okay. He's a man of many words. But yeah, we're pretty close to picking it up. I think they're going to get some weather, so I am motivated to get this sucker loaded and get to close to Texas as possible. At least get south of Oklahoma City. But yeah, it's been a heck of a drive. I'm gonna probably do another scenery shot for my truck again. Just because I hate how everything's getting built up. It's just ridiculous how much history's just been erased. We don't need 15 Ultas within 5 minutes of each other. But yeah, I'm gonna cut to another little scenery shot, and hopefully next you'll see what I'm picking up. I'm excited. All right, we're here, so give me 1 second. All right, we're here. Checked it out. Deal's done. Let's go. Let me go show you what I bought. All right, he wants to say hi. You want to say hi? Hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
There we go. Alrighty. So here she is. 53 M38A1 Jeep. And as most of y'all know, I was a military police officer. So I'm building a military police Jeep. I use my own funds to get this. We're gonna take it to events, do parades, take it on hunts, all the fun stuff. But this thing is really, really complete. I am stoked. So what we're gonna do, get her loaded up, get it home, and start doing our thing. What do you think, Jace?
It's cool. I like this too.
Oh, so
it's a Ford.
There is a Ford Galaxy 500 4-door, the 390.
Absolutely.
Yeah, he's slightly in love. Which this is also one of my favorite cars. And
Red seats or black seats?
See, I love 500s, man. This is one of the best looking cars Ford has ever made. Hands down, one of the best cars Ford has ever made. So I'm gonna move my truck. We're gonna get her loaded. We're gonna get back to Texas. What do you thought of the road trip so far?
Good.
You had a good time? You had a good time with Dad?
Cool.
Hey, you know what? No games, no phones. Out here having fun. So let's get to let's get loaded up. Let's get back home. Almost. Oh shit. There we go. Hell. All right. What do we do now?
Man, I was saying this morning, brought it all together.
Just so yeah, I knew it should have stopped. Time to come along. Yep. There we go. There we go. Whew. Chop off that sucker. Ah. Oh my god. Whew.
Made it though. Nobody died.
Out of shape. Dude, she looks so good. Oh, we're doing it again. Let's go. Yeah.
More in the middle, more over the wheels.
Chalk block it. I'd say that's probably pretty good right there.
Yeah, she's a little off, but
Well, you know what we can do? It has all the tow hooks on it still.
oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna strap it down real quick. We're loaded up. We are loaded up. Are you tired?
A little wore out. That took a little bit out of me.
We officially determined we are definitely out of shape, and I've been trying to get in shape and still out of shape. So she's loaded up. It looks even better. I cannot express how happy I am. I am like stoked. So transmission, engine, gonna need a little work, and that's all the body damage I have to deal with. I'm a happy man. I'll get one of my buddies come out, but man, this thing is meant for what it is. The guys who restore these are the ones you look for. So that's all she wrote. Me and my boy, we're gonna head back to Texas. Well, no, I gotta go feed him so he'll shut up. But yeah, the gas tank's even there, which is like unheard of on these lately. So that's it, man. We're going home. I appreciate it, man.
Sir?
Yeah, it's
Have a good one.
yeah, I'm beyond ecstatic about it. So
Good.
yeah, it's gonna be a long drive home. Just to make sure, because the brake's not working. But yeah. So all right, man, we're gonna head out. We'll go feed him so he'll shut up. So I'll be back on later. Well, we're loaded. You didn't do a whole lot. We're heading back to Texas, heading back home. I gotta feed him. He said there's a golden chick, so I'm gonna get him some fried chicken. And because heaven forbid he goes without eating. But there she is. Right there. Heading home with it. I can't believe it. I've been waiting for this for years to happen. But here we go. So I'll hit you up when we get home. Oh Lord, I'm sore. He needed a bathroom break. I needed a standing break. double checking the. It's actually done pretty well. So the transmission on this a little messed up. The braking system, while there, is non-existent. So heavy straps, hopes and prayers. But she's doing well. She's doing well. Only got cut off one time, and it was bad. I thought I was gonna lose it, but a lot of trash blowing out. Yeah, I am so freaking happy. Now that I got it out and it's cleaned out, this thing is freaking amazing. Amazing. So it's when we stopped first to get food and all that, I had 5 people ask me questions about it. I'm excited to get it home. It's gonna be a fun project. He's really excited to start working on it. So if anybody watches this and wants to throw a bone or a sponsorship, I'm open. I'm just saying, I could use some help. No, I'm pretty excited to get this thing out. I mean, just take it to parades and like our expos we go to at Spit, and to take it on hunting trips and all that. Man, it's gonna be a blast, dude. This thing's gonna get so much use and so much loved on so much. But I'm gonna go get him finished up, and we're almost to Texas. I'm ready to go home. So let's do it. All right, we're finally home. It took longer than we thought, but you gotta go to the bathroom. It was just traffic in general. But the Jeep made it just fine and dandy. I am definitely ready to start working on this bad boy. This thing is going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Yeah, so y'all saw it. That's the head. But that's fine and dandy. I'm excited. It's one of my dreams. It's like one of my dreams, man. I'm pumped. So yeah, I'm leave this. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm tired. But follow the journey along. We're gonna record this for sure. The journey of getting this back on the road and alive and out there doing great things again for God and country. So I'm going to get my drone down. I'm going to get this edited and get it popped up. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Active duty veterans, first responders. Find us on Facebook groups, TikTok, all that. Lone Star Heroes Outdoors. For those heroes, Lone Star Heroes Outdoor Trips is where we do all the trip giveaways. So I appreciate y'all support. Appreciate everything y'all do. Everything, all this, watching, liking, sharing, you literally help us get our heroes out for free. Fundraising is always the name of the game. We're all volunteer, including myself. So thank you. This helps out. Watching all this helps out tremendously. Y'all have a good day.